7 AI tools that replaced my entire dev team. These tools changed everything about how I build software. First, Cursor for coding. It writes, refactors, and debugs code faster than any human. Second, V0 for UI design. Describe what you want, and it generates production-ready React components. Third, Claude Code for debugging and architecture. It understands your entire codebase and finds bugs in seconds. Fourth, Supabase for your entire backend. Authentication, database, real-time subscriptions, all in one platform. Fifth, Vercel for deployment. One click and your app is live worldwide. Sixth, Resend for transactional emails. Beautiful emails with a simple API. And seventh, Stripe for payments. Accept money from day one. Total monthly cost for this entire stack, under $50. That's a full development team for the price of lunch. Traditional team cost, $25,000 a month. AI stack, $47. This is Vibe Coding. More at Endove Coding.